What up, Cruz? Your boy Jay Cruz from the AUDIOZONE channel. I want to thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel, man. Truthfully grateful for everything that God has done with this year, man. We're coming to an end of 2022, starting a new year of 2023, and we're going to start a lot more different, man. Our visions are different, our goals are different, our offsets are different, our mindsets are different, man. So, you know, it's going to be a great year for 2023, man. If we rock and roll and develop a whole nother shop, man. We're gonna really build up some craziness, man. But today I'm gonna bring you to a build that we have for Mr. and Mrs. West. Shout out to them for giving us a chance to serve their car. I don't know if I've been in front, but it's a beautiful plum gray. So it's just the purple of this car is just a beautiful color, period, man. It is a 392 shaker scat pack, but this one came in, man, because they wanted us to update the headlights. So we're definitely gonna do the DLRs on the outside. We're also gonna do the interior DLRs on this build. We're gonna do the upper and lower grills on this one. We're also gonna light up the scoop here for the vehicle. We're gonna throw this DLR can be going on a BLUEGHOSTZ controller. This one we're gonna be adding the wheel lights, but these cars are very difficult. There is no pan or no metal behind this unit that you normally go and grab the wheel lights. So we have to fabricate some brackets and all that to be able to get the wheel lights to go on this bad boy, and that's what they're in the process here. In fact, you can see Adolfo's already started, but these cars, when they don't, this one in the back has a shield. In a minute I'll show you when we go back there, the shield right here, you can see this here, so he can go and tag that in. He's already got the wheel light installed there. Let me go see what else he's got going on over here. Well, he's in the process of doing this, so you can see what he's doing right now as he's beginning to align these wheel lights in this car. He's drilling the holes and getting all this stuff situated to be able to get this installed for the West family. We're also doing a neutral lockout and some other stuff for security. We're doing, I believe, a FLOOOR series Underglow and a couple of other things, man. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let the guys rock and roll as they get this build going and show you a little bit of progression, man. I'm gonna try to do better for you guys on videos. It's just that it's hard for me to be in the front, recording in the back, and dealing with the business of phone calls and customers. So that's why I said it's time for us to elevate, man, in 2023. Start looking for the right people to help us do this, take the shop to the next level, man. So the right people, what we're looking for. If you are looking for a good job and you have a great experience and the knowledge of sales, man, we're going to be open to a lot of different things, because we just want the shop to be able to flow, you know what I'm saying, the way that it has to. So long story short, I'm going to let the team get rock and rolling. They start getting this car developed and built out and get this car ready to be developed to the West family. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so you guys can understand what's going on. Adolfo, what are you doing here right now? Making some brackets here. Making some brackets here, hold on. No, hold on, making some brackets for this, and this is what I was talking about for this here. Yeah, 1 second, sir. So the brackets he's making is going to be for these areas right here, and these cars don't have no brackets, and he's getting that ready to go. Cruz, so on the second day on this, I'm going to show you what I was talking about. So on these cars, we have to make some secondary brackets to be able to align with these brackets and get it tied in. So we actually use factory bolts. You see factory bolt location, but we make it work nice and steady. So now this ring is here and it's on. So this part is done. You can see this one here is also done. Now we're going to be showing you the back ones, and these are the ones that go to the factory plate, as y'all can see right here. But now when they start doing the running of the underglow kit, so now you can start wiring up the underglow kit. Josh is over there working on the headlights, as you can tell over there on the table. I'll show y'all what's going on over there. But he's over there working on these headlights. And done. I'll see that for you. Short team, he can be putting this together. We should get delivery for this car from Mr. and Mrs. West very shortly. Stay tuned. Cruz, so on this build, let me show you what's going on. They actually put on now, they're getting all the lights sealed, but you can see in the progress, right now we definitely have the upper grill and the lower grill lights being done. We have here the DLR with the second DLR, which is going to be this one here. Then we also have the inside tube that you can see in there, also lighting up. So he has the inlet tubes done. We got the hood done, which is going to be a beautiful thing. We definitely got the wheel lights done, which you can see them glowing around there. We have the underglow done, which you can see there. And I'll show you a little bit better when the car comes off the lift. We got the interior, giving him a nice little bang light in there. And that's pretty much where the car's coming together to get this delivered, y'all. Shortly, the team will get this car down and put the bumpers on and everything. And I'll be able to get you guys a closed video of the vehicle being done. Give you some nice shots. You can see what it's going to glow at night. And get this delivered to the customer who's going to pick it up. So pretty soon, stay tuned, man. We're going to keep on rolling. At this point in time, we have the beautiful... Tell everybody what's your name?
Wendy West.
Wendy West. So she got a sneak peek at the cars outside, and Mr. West is outside. Let's see if we can see him here. Who's that peeking at my window? Hi, Mr. West, how you doing today? You're on camera live today. Hope you're not a convicted felon or nothing that they're looking for you anywhere.
No,
he's a Jersey boy. How did Jersey boy get with her, man? How did this work? How did this happen? He met you where?
Dodge State.
Where did he meet you?
Through his cousin.
Through his cousin? Because your cousin introduced you. How long y'all been together?
5 years.
5 years, bro. How are you putting up with him? That's the question.
It's hard.
It's difficult. It's like living with herpes or something. You got to kind of deal with it, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, Mr. and Mrs. West, I got the car outside, so I'm going to walk you through how to use everything. But yeah, everybody did have to do with your car because the color makes the car unique. So you got the underglow going, as you can see down there. You have the wheel lights going, as you can see down there. How's it coming across? Then you have your grill light, which you can see, your scoop light, which you wanted.
Yeah.
Then you got your DLRs going. Then you got the external rings, and you got the internal flow in. So you got all that going on in there. And you got your grill lights going, so you can see both upper and lower grills are going with the design. And then you got your interior trim, which is also lit up. I don't know if it's on right now, but yeah, she's on. She's purple right now. You got your little purple light. I'm gonna walk you through this whole build inside the car. So Mrs. West and Mr. West, I got a question for you. I'm gonna show you how to walk it through, but I'll get the guys off the camera to do all that for the walk. You got a lot to learn. Like, you're gonna have a new video game tonight, because I guarantee you that's what y'all playing with today. But my question is, you guys wanted to get a build done. You heard about us. You brought the car out here. You have it going today. First of all, how do you like the look of your car?
Love it.
How much? This is your car or your car? It's your car, so it's her car. Well, we're gonna interview both, because you know they say when you marry you become one. So in here, there's an invisible union that comes between them two. You know what I'm saying?
I don't drive it much.
Huh?
I don't drive it that much.
No, I mean, you know. So what do you drive?
I drive an Altima.
You know what's funny though? To the gas station, I like that. You know what? Tell you why? Because back in the day, I used to tell my dad, I'd go get some gas in the car, and he's like, okay, then I'll leave, and I'll go for a couple hours. I saw it on TV, so I jacked it.
Yeah.
And then I come in, hey, why were you going for so long? I said, Dad, you had a little bit of gas in the car, and I didn't want to waste the old gas and new gas. So I took the car for a ride, I waited the gas, and I bought it back, and he laughed. But you know what I'm saying? Long story short, it's been a pleasure definitely to serve you.
Yeah.
I'm going to walk you through the whole process, how to use everything. You have a lot to learn.
Okay.
But I know you wanted to get lights in your car, and you were waiting and trying to get everything situated, got your schedule and so on. What do you want to tell the camera today about your business?
Love it.
How much do you love it, Mr. West?
I like it a lot.
I don't know, Mr. I would say something on camera, but people camera sometimes don't know how to take all this. But I know that she's very, and if the wife is happy, then you happy too.
Yeah.
So you got. I gave you all kinds of points today, brother.
Okay.
You're gonna go home and be all right today, man.
Yeah.
We're gonna, you know, Mr. West. We want to thank you guys for giving us a chance to serve you guys. Definitely. You know, he's the Jersey boy too, y'all. For y'all that don't know.
Yeah.
So that's why I got my wallet here, and I'm playing. But he's the Jersey boy, and you know, love is a great thing. I've been married now for 10 years with my wife. I turned 45 now on Thursday.
Wow.
Yes. How old are you, Mr. West?
I'm 57.
57. You don't look your age, though, bro.
No.
Yeah, you don't look your age. You age
God,
really well.
God.
What are you eating, bro?
Eating?
Mm-hmm.
Right now?
No, what are you eating? I keep you looking so young, man. Boy, look, let's do a comparison, man. My beard is right there with you, and you 57, I'm 45. Now, you know what I'm saying? That make a difference. They can take care of you.
She keeps me young.
You know what I'm saying? I definitely agree, man. But you know what? We thank you guys for the chance of serving you. Enjoy the car. Anything happens, of course, you got a warranty. You call me for anything happens, so that's not a point. But only roll on camera if you're driving the car. You smell any kind of plastic burning or any smoke, or you see any fires, get out the car, call 911, your car's outside.
Okay.
You guys understood that? We're going to end this video, man. Telling y'all, thank y'all for watching. Y'all be good and God bless.